Track 3. Johnny and Sally are talking about the Christmas party. Listen carefully and answer question 1. You have 10 seconds to study the question. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
We'll have our Christmas party tomorrow. What food will you bring to the party?
Some cheese and ham sandwiches. I'll make them myself.
Good. I'll bring chips, biscuits and sweets. I'll buy them from the supermarket.
Track 4. Andy and Betty are talking about their holidays. Listen carefully and answer question 2. You have 10 seconds to study the question. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
I had a great time in Taiwan.
What did you do there?
I went to see sheep, goats, cows and horses. They were cute.
Wow, that sounds fun.